Hey guys, just want to jump on here quickly and talk to you about a hot topic in the industry right now, and that's the need for us to repair our moisture barrier or our skin barrier. So what that is, our moisture barrier is the upper layers of our skin or the stratum corneum, and the purpose of it is to help seal moisture in, hence the term barrier. And it also works to protect the skin and prevent contaminants from getting in and irritating us. So that's its goal. The issue and why this is such a hot topic right now is because many of us, we're using too many skincare products with too many active ingredients too much of the time. So we're throwing vitamin C's, glycolics, retinols at it all the time, cocktailing, all of that is really disrupting and damaging our barrier. And then we end up irritated and unhappy. So that's not good. So what we've done is we created our Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. This is a proprietary formula with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, an ancient mushroom extract, pomegranate sterols, all of it working together to help heal, repair that moisture barrier and allowing your skin to really retain its moisture. This lightweight gel cream, super lightweight, but don't let that deceive you. This sucker will hydrate your skin all day without it feeling greasy and oily, etc. So please check it out.